Hello, this is Jerome Serlia. Today, I'm going to share to you the pasalubong that gave to me by my younger brother, Jensen. So come, let's get closer, let's have fun. So, this is a tram, or in San Francisco, they call it a cable car. Yeah, I think it's wonderful made. Parang gawa siya sa wood. And meron din siyang mga plastic, I think. It's wonderful. Marami siyang details. Number 39. And then stop at the Fisherman's Wharf. So basically may advertisement pa siya. Pole Market, Hyde Beach, possibility. Ano siya sa San Francisco. By the way, my younger brother is a nagwo-work siya sa service. So definitely he's in the military and mostly a chaplain siya, yeah. Buksan na natin kasi we're trying to figure out how can we get those chocolates. Maganda to, gagawin ko talaga 'tong souvenir. Ah, okay. Dalawa yung niya, ribbon. Trish Chocolate, San Francisco, Hollywood. I think those is magkaibang place. Still, pareho sila na sa California. Yeah. Dalawa siyang ribbon. And medyo may mga sira-sira na siya dito kasi sabi ni Jensen, may makulit na bata na nakialam. Pero it's okay. Those are my pamangkins. Ay, tatanggalin to. Sa taas. Okay. Akala ko you're going to remove the entire roof. Hindi pala. Tatanggal pala sa taas. It's a frog. And it's Harry Potter. What exactly are these? This is a frog. Ito ata yung kinakain ni Harry Potter at saka ni Ron Weasley. Trish Chocolates. And it's Wizarding World. Sure. Ano yung kasama niya sa or is this recycled souvenir? But still, I still like it. It is shaped like a frog. So I'm gonna taste it. Yeah. Saan ba galing ito? Warner Brothers. Universal Studio from Japan. Probably they went to Japan and then minty siya. Chocolate mint. Yeah. Marami. It's wonderful. Harry Potter. Sarap. Thank you, Jensen, for the pasalubong. And salamat. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye for now.